Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the Honda Accord 2018 through 2022 and possibly beyond. This system contains 3 items, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, the JetStream load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track in which the tower is attached. And alongside that track are measurements which correspond to measurements in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct placement of the tower on the bar. The tower itself has multiple adjustments for a very custom fit to the vehicle. And those adjustments are accessed underneath this cover. So let's remove this cover by squeezing in on the 3 dots on both sides and hinge downward to remove the cover. Now, the interior of the tower has 2 of the adjustments. Behind this panel here is another adjustment, and that adjustment is for attaching the tower to the bar. That fastener also will allow for a pitch adjustment, which is the angle of the bar in relation to the tower to optimize the position of the bar. When we close this, it will restrict access to that fastener. The fastener below here is a toe adjustment, which will allow for adjustment of the pad and clip assembly to better match the roof line and door frame. I'll go ahead and demonstrate by using the tool that's included with the towers to loosen it so you can see the 3 points of adjustability in the toe. Now once you've got it set, you tighten that and this tool will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. This tool is also used for the other fasteners as well. Now on the inside of the tower we have this fastener which will tighten and draw inward the clip against the door frame. And then underneath this hatch is another fastener, and that pulls the clip upward against the door frame. The clip itself is strong powder-coated steel with a rubber pad where it contacts the inner edge of the door frame, provides grip and protection to the finish. And then the pad assembly here will come in a variety of different shapes, and it rotates in order to best match the roof line where it rests. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. We'll just hook it at the bottom and it snaps at the top. And here you can see there's a plug, and that plug can be replaced with a Yakima SKS lock cylinder. These lock cores are sold in match sets, so you can have all 4 of your towers all key matched, as well as other accessories and carriers that are part of the Yakima SKS same key system, and that way you'll have a very convenient way to lock and unlock all your gear. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this system in particular, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack related videos and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching.